We have a hope, the hope of our salvation. For while we look at ourselves as mere mortals, we have a hope of glory. For we have been co-glorified with Christ. For it does not appear what we shall be like, but we are certain that we shall be like Jesus when we see him. We have a glorious destiny, and there is a glory that is about to be revealed in us. Romans chapter 8 verse 19 says that the entire universe is standing on tiptoe, yearning to see the unveiling of God's glorious sons and daughters. Even the universe can't wait, for there is a glory that will be revealed in God's children. Yes, we do not see it physically at this time, but while we wait for the manifestation of the glory of God in us, we keep serving the Lord wholeheartedly. For we know that any suffering that we endure is less than nothing compared to the magnitude of glory that is about to be unveiled in us. Now, have you read your Bible today? I hope you're encouraged to read a verse a day. Blessings.